amazing because it's historical, you know. I remember many years ago when we were studying the university, and we would go to Tallahassee to get approval to become a 4-year university, to get approval for the School of Architecture, School of Nursing. And the hardest one was the College of Law. I think we took buses of students at least 4 or 5 times. And every time we would go, we thought we had the votes, and guess what? No, not approved. And as we would look at the Board of Regents, the members, you know, we would see that the majority of them were lawyers, CEOs, and they're all graduates of Florida FSU. And we would ask the question ourselves, when do you think our graduates could be in those key positions, you know? And to me, it's delightful to see a dream come true, because our students now are going to be able to intern here on the DC and really witness firsthand how the whole complex legislative process works, you know, and that's very important. And they're going to learn not only about systems, many issues. They're going to be networking, meeting people, which is very important. And I think it's going to awaken their passion, their love for career in politics, service. I think what they bring is very talented students who are very, I think, global, international. I would say less provincial than maybe if you come from an area, not an urban, diverse area like Miami. You know, Miami is really global, it's the world. We have there communities from many countries, you know, so, and also the experience that our students bring because of their heritage. Some of them are first-generation immigrants, second or third. So they have heard from their families, you know, the many stories when they had to leave their country and leave everything behind and come here for freedom of thought, work. So our students, I think, have that part of a life, a story that I would say students in other parts of the country do not, you know. Well, I'm delighted. I'm here for the Make a Difference and fund, and that fund is helping our students get internships. Because like I think I share with you guys is that I have seen the faces of sadness, disappointment from our students who got wonderful internships, but they couldn't accept it. Yeah. They could even have the money for the plane ticket or to put a deposit on a studio or the expenses. Yeah. And I mean, like I said, I myself have gone around collecting money and said, our student is here, got an internship, needs money for a plane ticket. And so based on that, I have seen the need and the disappointment from the parents and all of that they couldn't help their son or daughter, you know, embrace that internship. So therefore we went, and a group of us, Dr. Lunsford, Dr. Jones, and Barbara Vader, we got together and we're fundraising for that. And we're so pleased that we already have the first one here getting the internship assistant. And I know we have it in other programs too.